President of All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association, Amawova, Kunjarani has accused a centre of playing divide and rule policy in Manipur. She urged centre to rein in its sponsored army from waging war against people of the state. Kunjarani said this during 35th Foundation Day observance of Amawova, which was held at GM Hall today. Speaking further, Kunjarani said Manipur is inhabited by various communities and it is important for all communities to unite by shedding their narrow vested interests. She also urged leaders in the state to compete for their political ambition during these tough times and warned against falling victim to divide and rule police of centre. Speaking about the upcoming Ningol Chakauba festival, Kunjarani urged people against extravagant spending on gift items. Former principal of DM College, Dr. C.H. Shilaramani, president of Poirei Laima Rol Mairapai Apunba Manipur, Soraisha Memcha Laima, along with other eminent persons, attended the program.
Manipur Kanglup Puruk Mayamna Punna Daminaba Namdamni Aduna Puruk Kanglup Singsina Aigi Haba Agi Kangluki Haba Wakalola Sitado Piraga Ilamdam Manipur Sida Damina Riba Kudima Unna Hingminaba Unna Safat Minasi Aduna Aigi Haba Kangluki Wakalasi Tadopu Habasi Amobagi Aigagi Nani Sinzari 2023 Megi Ohumdagi Ilamdam Asida Kusengi Lan Tokdana Ilam Damasi, Kaibum, Dananaba, Nariba Sesida, Ekoi Mayam, Section Minasi, Aduna, Nasi, Ekoigi, Manipur Sida, India government Yang, Indiana Sanariba, divide and rule policy, could have the debut.